It's still spring, or it's supposed to be. So we're going to continue along the path of springy cocktails. Today we are going to do a passion fruit spritz. We are going to start off with 1/2 ounce of passion fruit. Oh my goodness, I can't ever get the stuff out. Puree. Super thick. And then we're also going to add a full ounce of Passionfruit Liqueur. Ooh. And then I partially pre-measured this out. So then we are going to go in with Prosecco. You're going to do 3 ounces of Prosecco. And then 1 ounce of club soda. And then we are going to add ice directly to the glass itself. Carefully, cautiously.
So don't, why are we doing this?
Because we don't. Why we're doing it cautiously? Yeah. Because you don't want it on your face.
That's a good strategy.
Okay. You don't need a ton of ice, just enough. And then you are going to need a stirring spoon, because what we're going to do, we are actually going to layer this cocktail. Now, I know a lot of people see a lot of cocktails out there that are layered, and they're this bright, vibrant, crazy, dark color. It's a whole lot of crap. So you're going to use a Indigo Gin. Use the back of your stirring spoon to layer this. You're going to put the spoon directly into the glass itself, just above the liquid level. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Then you'll slowly bring the spoon up with you. We're putting just about 2 ounces of the gin in there, maybe just a hair under. So I know it's crazy, because if you look up this cocktail anywhere that's layered, it's going to have this crazy dark, deep purple color. It don't look like that in real life. I'm all about showing you what's real. All right, so we have the layered cocktail here. And then for our garnish, we are going to use very stressed out looking.
Stressed lime.
Stressed out
not
lime.
Fresh lime, stressed lime.
Fresh, not fresh, stressed.
It's had a hard week.
It has had a very rough week. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Passion Fruit Spritz. Having a stroke today, it's fine. Okay, so fun fact, it is a layered cocktail, so make sure you give it a really good stir before you actually take a sip. Otherwise, you're going to be getting a ton of Indigo Gin right out the gate. So don't forget, guys, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. And of course, I really would appreciate it if you liked, commented, shared, or subscribed to the video, because I think you're awesome. Until the next pour, guys.